this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter Power Boost full hybrid engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with a mobile office package, black appearance package, tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we got a dual exhaust, tow hitch, rear park sensing with a backup camera. We do get a bed liner with this vehicle as well. Tailgate step with mud flaps on the rear, a nice black ripped running board, mud flaps on the front, side view camera, blind spot detection, turn light and spotlight indicated. And moving to the front, we have that lovely black hood deflector with recovery hooks, front park sensing, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space up front, B&O Sound System, flat fold storage system, carpeted interior, floor mats, storage and cup holders, rear vents, 12 volt, USB-Cs, 120 volt, and of course you do get a lovely split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a powered driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there, plenty of more door space up front, lights, gas cap, spotlights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 62 kilometers. We do get this nice leather up steering wheel, photography screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we do get my view, trip and fuel gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select that is collapsible storage, cup holders, wireless charging, and some outlets. Mobile office package, which does give you an interior work surface where you can put your laptop, your food, all that jazz. Storage below as well. You have your drive modes, rear locking diff, four-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, heated front seats with dual climate. Outlets on the side here, you both get upper and lower storage with storage on the dash. Above me, we do have our features for our rear window opener, as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. You have your parking, which is just your park sensing, hazards, traction, and 360 view of the vehicle, which you can go through different camera angles. Looking at our main screen here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls, your navigation, fave apps such as messaging, Pro Power Onboard, email, all that jazz. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your settings and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB40510, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.